Blu R2 Plus 2019 coming up. Stay tuned.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So what's up, guys? Max Rock here with a brand new video. We have a brand new device in hands. It's the Blu R2 Plus 2019. Got a 6.2 inch HD plus display. It's a 19:9 aspect ratio, 720 by 1520 resolution, 268 pixels per inch. We have the quad-core processor that's clocked at 1.5 gigahertz, 16 gigs internal memory, 2 gigs of RAM. You have a dual camera in the back, it's 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and you have an 8 megapixel selfie camera. You have the advanced security fingerprint sensors, 4G LTE high speeds. You got built-in power saver modes, the hotkey on the side of the device. You get a micro SD card expansion up to 64 gigs, a 3000 milliamp hour battery. You can Android 8.0 Oreo. $100 is what I paid for this phone. Let's see what's in the box. So with a little bit of magic, here's the phone. All right, a dual camera setup in the back, good looking phone. Let's see what else is in the box here. We have a clear TPU case, which is nice of them because you probably wasn't going to be able to find a case for this device online at the time being. With this device here, because it was $100, some phones from Blu do not get the screen protector that comes in the box, the multiple cases, the headphones. Sucks, but whatever. You got a USB cable here, some stickers, Blu stickers. For the next part of this video here, we have the film protecting peel off. That is now done. And we're not done yet. We have one in the back. So, oops. There we go. Now that's done. It's a plastic build, I believe. It's not like glass or anything in the back, but it does look a little bit more premium here. Good looking phone. On the bottom, you see that you got your speaker grills, no headphone jack, and you got your microphone there. On the top, you got your headphone jack along with your micro USB charging port. Now on the left side of the device here, you see that you got your hotkey. This is the button here that actually allows you to put the phone in power saver mode or accelerate the performance. It's a cool little feature, cool little gimmick. Up and down volume keys here. On the right side, you got your SIM tray slot and your power button. The screen itself, like I said, is 6.2 inches. You see you get your LED flash, 8 megapixel camera there. It's not dual speaker. Get your fingerprint scanner in the back. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, get my information in this device, and I'll be right back. All right, so a quick comparison here. We have the Blu R2 Plus 2019 looks to the Blu Vivo 11 here. You can see the design is very similar, just not the same materials. We got some information in this device here. So we can see the screen is nice and big and vivid here. First, feeling how I got the phone here, like as far as like how I'm feeling so far after having the phone, it's pretty good. I already did a Geekbench test for this phone here, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull up the numbers that I got. Okay, so with the Geekbench test here that I already did with this device, I got a single core score of 642 and a multi-core score of 1786. You can see on the bottom here, it says the model ID is the Blu Vivo 1 Plus 2019. Not sure if that's the accurate name there. It will make sense because I do have the Blu Vivo 1 Plus from last year, but they're calling this the R2 Plus 2019. So, but those are the scores I got for Geekbench. Now with the Antutu benchmark, I got a 43,324. So that's around what I get for devices that have similar clock CPUs, whether it be 1.4 or 1.5. Some devices get a little bit slower than that, but this is pretty much on par with some other devices. What I can say about this device here is that I am really liking it so far. The fact that it's a big screen and the fact that it has 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage, it gets me, excited to use another Blu product here. I see what they're doing and I like what they're going for, so I respect it. Stay tuned for the first impressions of this device. I'm gonna talk about the camera. I'm gonna talk about the loudspeaker, display quality, overall UI, performance of the CPU. But if you guys don't mind, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, hit that notification bell, ensuring that you get to see every single video that's put on the channel. Also, please share this video with your friends and family to let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.